Yes. Yes, students, see here, they are given question number 21. See, two vectors A bar and B bar lie in a plane. Okay. Vector C bar lies outside this plane. Then the resultant of these three vectors A plus B plus C, where they lie. This is your question. Correct? Yes. So, see, they have given that. So vectors are there. Let us imagine here there is a one plane. I am taking a plane. This is one plane. Okay. Now in this plane, A and B. Let us imagine two vectors are there. This is A bar and this is B bar. Two vectors are there. Nana. Clear? Let us imagine some angle also will be there between these two. Okay. Now what they are saying? Another vector lies outside of this plane. Okay. Another vector is there outside of this vector. C bar when vector is there outside of this plane. Now resultant of these three vectors A bar plus B bar plus C bar is equal to what they are asking. Okay, as we know that according to triangular law, if two vectors are there like this A bar and B bar, then resultant of these two vectors, let us imagine it is C bar. Then how can we write Nana? A bar plus B bar, what we can write? Is equal to minus C bar we can write. So if you simply send that side, it will become A bar plus B bar plus C bar is equal to 0 you will get. Yes, this property we have discussed. But this is possible only when these three vectors lies in a same plane. When these three vectors are not lying in a same plane, this cannot be 0. Means they cannot be 0. Option 2 is right answer. Hope you got its explanation. Understood, no? Students? Clear? Next. Question number 22. Question number 22, Nana. In vector diagram shown in figure, R bar is the resultant of A bar and B bar. This R bar is resultant of A bar and B bar, they are saying. And if R is equal to B by root 2, then the value of theta is what? Then what is the value of theta? Clear? This R is equal to how much given? B by root 2. They have given that R is equal to B upon root 2. Clear? Initially is giving 45. Okay. See explanation. See. Okay, Nana. Okay, Nana. Now, see, this is a right angle triangle. No? Yes, this is a right angle triangle. In this right angle triangle, can we take sin theta? Yes, we can take sin theta. What is sin theta, Nana? Sin theta is opposite side upon hypotenuse. Correct? Yes. Why I am taking only sin theta, sir? Why not taking tan theta? Why not taking cos theta? Because if you will take cos theta, you will have a value. A value, they didn't say anything about that. If you take tan theta also, you will get opposite side by adjacent side. Again, you will have a value. So they did not get given any value of a. So we can find by using that cos or tan. So let us take sin. Okay, Nana? Yeah. So sin theta is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse b. Opposite side is given b by root 2 given. Okay, b by root 2 upon hypotenuse is b cancel. What you are getting, Ray? Sin theta is equal to 1 by root 2 you are getting. So sin theta value 1 by root 2, where you will get for what angle? For an angle of 45 degrees you will get. Clear? So answer should be second option, 45 degrees. Clearly understood, no? Okay, na? Yes. Next, question number 23, Nana. Question number 23, they are given that the resultant of A bar and B bar makes an angle alpha with A and beta with B. Then, see, they are given the resultant of A bar and B bar is making angle alpha with A and beta with B. Okay, let us take a parallelogram, Nana. See here you are having A bar, you are having B bar, correct? Yes. Now, what is the resultant of these two? Yes, you construct one parallelogram. Yes, this is the resultant, correct? Yes, this is the resultant. Now they are saying that this resultant is making angle alpha with A bar and angle beta with B bar. Yes, we have constructed according to that question. Now what they are saying? Then they are saying that alpha is less than beta, alpha less than beta if A is less than B, alpha less than beta if A is greater than B, alpha is less than beta if A is equal to B. Four options they have given. We need to find. Okay. So 1 minute. They are disturbing the class. Okay. See, for finding alpha, we know tan alpha. Formula we know. Sir, no. Yes. What is tan alpha? Tan alpha formula is B sin theta upon A plus B cos theta. Do you remember that? Yes, it will form a rectangle triangle here. This is B sin theta. थोड़ा जल्दी करो. This is B cos theta. Okay. Now see in this when alpha will increase, when alpha will increase, when a value more, let us imagine a value is more, then what will happen? In denominator total value will increase. When denominator total value increases, this total value decreases. Yes or no? Yes, this total value decreases. Correct? Yes. When this total value decreases, alpha also decreases. Correct? Yeah. So that means when A is more, alpha is less. Then automatically beta will be more. Clear? Yeah. So that means alpha will be less than beta when A is greater than beta. A is greater than B. So option 3 is right answer now. I hope you got it explanation. Next, question number 24. I am going to question number 24. Yeah, question number 24 is there. Question number 24 I am doing, Nana. Absar is asking, please once again. This is A bar, Nana. This is B bar, Nana. And resultant of these two is this is resultant R. Okay, na. And this resultant is making alpha with this and beta with this. Clear? Yeah. Now tan alpha, how can we write? Tan alpha we can write B cos theta, sorry, B sin theta upon A plus B cos theta we can write. Correct? Yes. Now imagine that A is more. A is more. Then what will happen? This total value will be less. When this total value is less, alpha should be less. Means when A value is more, alpha value will be less. Then condition is what? A value more means greater than B. That implies alpha less means definitely beta will be more. That's it. Alpha value is decreasing means beta value increase. No. Yeah. That is the reason. So option 3 is right answer. Next, question number 24. If two vectors A bar and B bar are such that A plus B is equal to C, A plus B is equal to C bar, they are like this. Okay. And A square plus B square is equal to, okay, this A square plus B square is equal to C square they are given. Then which of the following statement is correct? They are asking which of the following statement is Correct, they are asking. Okay, yeah. So this type of question somewhat important for NEET and JEE students. Just have a look on this. See, this is the one condition they have given. Remember this condition. Now they have given that A bar plus B bar is equal to C bar. They have given, okay. What is A bar plus B bar? A bar plus B bar can be written as, this A plus B can be written as root of A square plus B square plus 2AB cos theta we can write. Yes or no? Yes, we can write. Clear? Okay? Yes, A plus B. According to triangular law of vector addition, we can write A square plus B square plus 2AB cos theta we can write. Okay, so this will be equal to C. Now this root, send that side, it will become A square plus B square plus 2AB cos theta is equal to C square. Got it? Got it? Root is going that side, it will become C square. Okay, as they said that A plus B is equal to A square plus B square is equal to C square, they said. So I'll write C square plus 2AB cos theta is equal to C square. Okay, Anna? This C square, this C square cancel. Means you will get 2AB cos theta becomes 0. C square going to that side minus C square. C square minus C square is 0. In this, 2 is a fixed number, it cannot be 0. A is a vector, it cannot be 0. B is a vector, it cannot be 0. That means cos theta should be 0. Clear? When cos theta is 0, then what should be theta, Nana? When you will get a theta 0 in cos, yes, cos 90 degrees is 0. Clear? Yes. Cos 90 degrees 0 means, cos 90 degrees 0 means this theta is, what is the angle between A and B? No. Theta is the angle between A and B. No. Yes. This is the theta is the angle between A and B. Means how A and B are there? A and B are perpendicular to each other, we can say. That means A is perpendicular to B. I hope you understand this very clearly. What I have done according to concept I went. And what is the condition they have given? That condition I took. So I got the answer. Finished. Clear? Yes. Next. Question number 25. Question number 25. See. Question number 25. The minimum number of vectors of equal magnitude required to produce zero resultant is 2. Remember this question. Just oral question, the minimum number of vectors of equal magnitude required to produce zero resultant. For example, one vector is like this, A. Another vector is like this, that is also A. So this resultant gives you 0, no? Yes, if you subtract one vector from other of equal magnitude, you will get 0. Correct? Yes. So minimum number of vectors to produce zero resultant is 2. Two vectors minimum we required to give 0 when they are lies in same plane. Condition remember. Next. Question number 26. See. Question number 26. How many minimum number of coplanar vectors having different magnitude can be added to give 0 resultant? So vectors should be coplanar. They should be lies in a same plane. Condition C, coplanar. They should lies in same plane and different magnitude. Same magnitude means 2 vectors are enough. 2 vectors are enough. But different magnitude means minimum 3 we require. Means option 2. Minimum 3 required na A, B and C. Opposite direction is required. A plus B plus C is equal to 0 you'll get. When these 3 are added, then only you'll get 0. Means 3 minimum required if magnitudes are different. Option 2 is right answer. Means 3 required. These are oral questions, don't get confusion. You may get this type of questions for NEET students. Next, how many minimum number of vectors in different planes can be added to give 0 resultant? 4. If the plane is different, if 2 vectors are there in one plane, this one plane and this is another plane. Now in this total 4 minimum are required to get 0 resultant. Option is 3. Means 4 minimum vectors are required. Remember these three are conceptual question, just remember them. Clear? Yes. Next, I'm going to question number 28. Where 27 is there? 28 where? Are you? 28 not there. Okay, it has skipped by mistake. Let us go to question number 38. See what they are given. Remaining 28 to 38 10 questions are there. You try to solve them. Okay, if two vectors, they are given that if two vectors a and b are such that a plus b is equal to modulus of a and b, then a minus b equal to, yes, important question. This is an important question. Okay, na? Yeah. So let us do this. They are saying that a plus b modulus of a plus b should be equal to modulus of a or modulus of b. Then what is a minus b? They are asking. What is a minus b modulus? They are asking. Okay. We know that a minus b modulus is nothing but under root of a square plus b square minus 2ab cos theta. We know this formula for a minus b. Means for finding this, minimum theta is required for us. This theta we can get from this condition. Okay, what is the condition, Nana? So condition C, condition is a plus b bar is equal to, okay, is equal to we know this a plus b bar is nothing but under root of a square plus b square plus 2ab cos theta. And they are saying that a plus b bar is equal to a bar, means a will be equal to under root of a square plus b square plus 2ab cos theta. We can take a or b here because they said equal to both. That's why, okay? Yeah, I am doing this. This is equal to a, means this will become a square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab cos theta. Correct? Yes. Listen carefully. So a square is equal to a square plus b square is also a square because a is equal to b. Here condition C, a is equal to b. Clear? That is the reason. Got it, Nana? Yes. So plus 2 into a square. Cos theta we can write. Correct? Yes. So this a square cancel. You will get minus a this side. Means plus a coming to this side, it will become minus a square is equal to 2a square cos theta. This a cancel. You are having minus 1 here is equal to 2 cos theta. Are you understanding? Yes. Okay. 2 cos theta over. Now what to do? See there. Cos theta becomes what, Anna? Cos theta becomes minus 1 by 2. Correct? Yes. Can you see this color clearly? Cos theta becomes minus 1 by 2. How cancel? What is that question? It's simple, no? This how they cancel? Send this side. Okay. This point I'll rewrite one more time. Eraser I'll take. So minus a square is equal to 2a square cos theta. And what is cos theta? Right? Cos theta is minus a square by 2a square. Now this a square cancel. You are getting minus 1 by 2. Now okay, na? Yeah. Then cos theta is equal to minus 1 by 2 you got. So minus 1 by 2, where you will get Nana? When theta is equal to cos inverse of minus 1 by 2. Where you will get at an angle of 120 degrees Nana. Cos 120 degrees is minus 1 by 2. Remember. Can you see this color? Cos 1 by 2 is equal to 120 degrees. Yes, this color is good. Theta is equal to 120 degrees. At this 120 degrees, you will get minus 1 by 2. Okay? Yes. So that means I got now cos theta value. What means I got now? Clear? Cos theta value I got now. Okay, Nana? Yes. Now what I want? I want a minus b whole square. Sorry, a minus b modulus I want. Okay? I'll do that. A minus b modulus I want now. Okay, so what is a minus b modulus, Nana? A minus b modulus is, here formula is there. A minus b modulus is under root of a square plus b square minus 2ab cos theta. Clear? Yes, is equal to under root of a square is a plus b square is also a according to this condition, minus 2 into a cos of 120 degrees. Theta is 120, no? Yes. It will become root of a square plus a square minus 2a square into minus 1 by 2. Clear? Are you getting? Yes. This half cancel. You get root of a square plus a square minus into minus plus again a square. How much it is? 3 times of a square. This will become root 3 times of a. Finished. So answer should be root 3 times of a. I hope you understand this very clearly. So first, from this given condition, I am finding what is theta, and from that I am substituting in this equation. I get the answer. Clear? Yes. Question number 38 is over. Next, question number 39, Nana. See question number 39. Question number 39, they are given that what happens when we multiply a vector by minus 2? When there is a one vector, if you multiply that vector with minus 2, then it will become minus 2 a bar. Means its magnitude increases by 2, and whereas direction becomes opposite. Okay, that's it. Direction reverse, unit changes. Wrong. Direction reverse and magnitude is double. Yes, this is right answer. Direction is reverse and magnitude is double. Yes, this is correct answer, Nana. Clear? Got it? I hope you are understanding what I am doing. Okay? Yes. So answer is what? Direction reverse and magnitude is double. Yes, this is the answer. Next question number 40. Two vectors of equal magnitude have a resultant equal to either of them. One more time they are asking. Okay, 39. See question number 39. 39 question number what, Nana? What happens when we multiply a vector by minus 2? Let us imagine there is one vector. Sorry. Let us imagine there is one vector a bar. A bar is a vector. When you multiply this with minus 2, what you will get? You will get minus 2 times of a bar. Means what happened to its magnitude? Magnitude is double. Whereas this minus indicates its direction has reversed. Means initially when vector is like this, when you multiply with minus 2, the vector becomes like this. Magnitude becomes double and direction changes. So direction reverse and magnitude double. This is the answer. Next, question number 40. Two vectors of equal magnitude have a resultant equal to either of them in magnitude. then angle between them is 40. Oral question. Two vectors are of equal magnitude. See here, two vectors are of equal magnitude. See question number 38 I am showing. Question number 38 I am showing. Two vectors are of equal magnitude. Yes, here two vectors are equal magnitude and resultant is equal to either of them. This resultant of these two vectors is equal to either of them. Yes, then what angle we have got here? 120 degrees, no? Yes, same here also 120 degrees we get. Just remember this orally. When two vectors are there, magnitudes of two vectors is equal and resultant of these two vectors is also equal. Then angle between the two vectors is 120 degrees. Orally remember this question, Nana. Orally remember this question. Okay, na? Clear? Next question number 41. See, if sum of two unit vectors is a unit vector, sum of two unit vectors is a unit vector, then magnitudes of difference, magnitude of their difference, how much? Root 3. Again, this concept only I am using. They are saying that sum of two unit vectors is a unit vector. See, this A bar is one unit vector you consider. A bar is one unit vector you consider and B bar is also one unit vector you consider. Resultant of these two is also a unit vector. Then what is the angle you got? 120 degrees angle you got. Then difference between these two, how much you got, Nana? Difference between these two you got root 3 times of A bar. Yes or no? Yes, root 3 times of A bar you got. Then if they are unit vectors, how much you will get? Root 3 times of unit vector. Unit vector is 1, no? Magnitude. Means you will get root 3. Directly, these questions depends upon 38. 40th question and 41 question depends upon 38 result. If you are a smart student, without doing these all things, just you will remember this. It will save your time. Clear? So it is root 3. I hope you understand it very clearly. Okay? Yes. I am going to question number 42. Resolution of vectors now. Important concept. See what they have given. They have given that if a unit vector is represented by 0.5 I cap minus 0.8 j cap plus ck cap. This is one unit vector they are saying. What is a unit vector? A unit vector is a vector whose magnitude is 1. Means if you take the magnitude of this 0.5 I cap minus 0.8 j cap plus ck cap, magnitude if you take, you should get 1. That is the meaning. Then what should be the c value? Okay, if you take this magnitude, what you get na? Under root of 0.5 whole square plus minus 0.8 whole square plus c square should be equal to 1. So how to find resultant? You know, xi cap plus yj cap plus zk cap is there. Then resultant will be root of x square plus y square plus z square. Nana. Do you remember that? Yeah. So that is the thing what I am doing. Okay, it will become root of 0.5 whole square is 0.25. Nana. 5 square is 25. No. Yes. After 2 digits we should keep 2 point. Okay. Plus minus of minus is plus. 8 square is 64. It will become 0.64 because of 0.8 plus c square is equal to 1. You should be fast in mathematics. Roots and that set, it will become 0.25 plus 0.64 plus c square is equal to 1 square. It is nothing but 1. 0.25 plus 0.64, 0.25, 0.64, add them, 5 plus 4, 9, 2 plus 6, 8, means 0.89. 0.89 plus c square is equal to 1. Then what is c square? 1 minus 0.89. From 1, subtract 0.89. Here nothing is there, 10, 0 is there, means 10 will be there. 10 minus 9 is 1. Here 9 will be there. 9 minus 8, 1 point. Here 0 will be there. Yes, so it will be 0.11. Then we want c only. Then what you write c? C can be written as under root of 0.11. Clear? This is only they are asking. What is c? C value is root of 0.11. Yes, this is the answer. Clear? information I have given. Very simple mathematics. If you are a genius in mathematics, it is very easy question. Okay, next. Question number 43. If P bar makes an angle alpha, beta, gamma with XYZ axis respectively, then sin square alpha plus sin square beta sin square gamma is equal to 2. Yes, you know, this is equal to 2. Property it is. Then what about cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma na? Cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma is equal to 1. Do you know? Yes, it is also we have discussed. You remember this. Next, the direction cosines of I is equal I cap plus j cap plus root 2 k cap. They have given one vector I cap plus j cap plus root 2 k cap they have given na. Okay, this is one vector na. Now this vector a bar, let us imagine this vector magnitude we find first. Magnitude gives you under root of I square means 1 plus j square is 1 plus root 2 square is 2. Are you understanding? Directly I am writing. Here nothing is there means 1 will be there. Here nothing is there means 1 will be there. Here root 2 is there. Root 2 ka square is 2. So it is root 4. Root 4 is nothing but 2. Clear? Yes. Then what is cos alpha nana? Cos alpha is nothing but ax by a I have written. Ax by modulus of a I have written there. Do you remember? What is ax? This is 1 by 2. Cos beta how much? Ay by a modulus. Ay value is 1. So 1 by 2. Cos gamma how much? Cos gamma is root 2 by 2 means 1 by root 2. Yes, these are the direction quotients. 1 by 2 comma 1 by 2 comma 1 by root 3 root 2. These are the direction quotients. Option 3, yes. Seema Vishnu Rathod is good. Option 3. Clear? Got it, Nana? This also you need to remember. Direction quotients. This will be useful for you mainly in mathematics. Remember this. Okay. Next question number 45, Nana. I think so. Time 4 minutes is there. Dania is asking, sir, please repeat 43. It is direct question, Nana. 43 question is direct question. Sin square alpha plus sin square beta plus sin square gamma is equal to 2. It is a direct question. Nothing is there to explain. Already I have explained on board. If I want to explain, it will become again lengthy. Already I have explained. Next, question number 45. A unit vector along I cap, j cap. There is a vector they are given I cap plus j cap. Unit vector. For example, this is a bar. Unit vector. How to write unit vector? A bar by modulus of a bar. Yes or no? Yes. Okay. What is the modulus of a bar? Modulus of a bar how much, Nana? Root of here 1 will be there. Okay, 1 square plus here also 1 will be there. 1 square is nothing but root 2. Means it will be a bar is nothing but I cap plus j cap divided by root 2. Clear? Yes. Option 3 is right answer. Option 3 is right answer. Good. Got it, Nana? Next question number 46 is there. So like this will be there, Nana. All the questions you need to solve them. Question number 46. I'll try this. Unit vector parallel to the resultant of A and B given. What is the resultant of A plus B? A plus B resultant. How much? Just add them. You'll get one is 4i cap plus 3j cap plus 6k cap. For this you need to add B bar means minus I cap plus 3j cap minus 8k cap. These are the two vectors given. So by adding these two, 4i cap minus I cap gives you 3i cap plus 3j cap plus 3j cap gives you plus 6j cap plus 6k cap minus 8k cap gives you minus 2k cap. This is a vector. Now for this unit vector you need to find. For example, this is a vector C bar. Unit vector of C bar we want. Means C bar by modulus of C bar we want. So find modulus of C bar first. How to find? It will be root of this 3 square plus this 6 square plus this minus 2 whole square. So it will be under root of 3 square is 9 plus 6 square is 36 plus minus 2 square is 4 is root 49 is nothing but 7. Okay, means 3i cap plus 6j cap minus 2k cap divided by 7. This should be the answer. Where it is first option it is. Okay, clear students? Yes, time up Nana. Time is over. Let us do remaining problems in next class. So if you understand this, will you do, if you do these all problems, then I'll go for motion in plane chapter from next class. What shall I do? Will you do these all these problems like this, or shall I go for a motion in plane? Okay, you have to do Nana, because all the problems in classroom means it will become 1 year for one chapter. Yes, sorry, 1 month for one chapter. This is difficult, no? Difficult task. Some ideas I'll give. Okay.